Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making this spicy asu Indomie noodles. I've been craving Indomie tonight, so yeah, I just wanted to satisfy my cravings. So for the Indomie, I'm using the regular Indomie chicken noodles, and yeah, I'm going to have, these are all I'll be using: my already prepared asu, some Scotch bonnet pepper sliced with some tomatoes, some onion, and yeah, my egg as well. So let's get right to me prepping my egg just so I can fry it. I'm adding some Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll add some onion and some salt, and I'll mix that and set it aside. Now that I'm done whisking my egg, I'm just going to set that aside, and then I will put some water in a pot. I'll cover it and let it come to a boil. So now my water has boiled, so I will just drop my noodles into them. I'm just going to parboil this until it's slightly cooked, not completely cooked. So I'm just going to add 1 pack of the seasoning to the pot as well. Now I'm just going to be adding 1 pack of my seasoning, and I'll just stir this up and let it cook for a minute and drain out the water. Then we will start stir frying our Indomie noodles. So I'm done cooking, so I'm just going to fry my eggs, and yeah, I'll fry it until it's nicely fried, and I'll flip it to the other side and take it out and keep it in a separate plate while I stir fry my noodles. So now the way I'm cooking these noodles is also similar to the way the Hausas cook their own noodles as well. The only difference is I just added 1 spice while boiling my noodles. So now I already have an oil in, so I'll just throw in my chopped onion and also my chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. I will also add my already prepared asu as well. Stir this slightly, let it cook for about a minute or 2, and then I will stir it, and then I will add the remaining seasoning from my Indomie noodles pack. So now I'm just going to be adding my seasoning. I'll add just a tiny bit of water just to ease off the thickness of the seasoning, and after that I will then throw in my noodles and stir completely until it is well stirred and all the seasoning has incorporated into my Indomie noodles. Now I'm putting my Indomie noodles. I've already drained out the water. I'm just going to stir this properly, and yeah guys, my noodles is ready. This is actually very quick, and it's actually very spicy as well. So this was me satisfying my cravings in the night because I was hungry. So it's actually budget friendly, and it's something you can just whip up in less than 20 minutes, and yeah, my Indomie is ready with my eggs. So I hope you guys will try this out. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.